Let's make the O.F.T.D painkiller from Planteray Rum. The painkiller is one of the few trademarked recipes, and that trademark is owned by Planteray Rum. I think it's Pussers? Pussers? Let me know in the comments down below how I'm supposed to pronounce that. So if you're going to make a real painkiller, legally you have to use Pussers Blue Label rum. If you want to use another rum in a painkiller, then it is no longer really a painkiller, legally. So unless you change the name. And Planteray Rum calls theirs the O.F.T.D painkiller because they use their O.F.T.D rum. If it's good enough for their legal team, it's good enough for me. Note that I do have a video on the painkiller already here on the channel. I also have a video for a drink called the PKNY. Both of them will talk about the history of the painkiller if you want to learn a little bit more. Links will be down below if you want to check them out. A note on the rum. Since this is the O.F.T.D painkiller from Planteray Rum, we really probably should be using the O.F.T.D rum from Planteray Rum. If you want to make this recipe with another rum, feel free to do so, but then it's not the official O.F.T.D painkiller. A note on the coconut cream. Most cocktail recipes that I've seen, in fact 100% of them that I've seen, except for one, call for cream of coconut instead of coconut cream. This recipe is the one that actually calls for coconut cream. And the difference is pretty big. Coconut cream is coconut cream. Cream of coconut is coconut cream with sugar added. I'm going to assume that this recipe actually is calling out for cream of coconut and not coconut cream, even though their website says coconut cream. If this recipe ends up too sweet for you, try the coconut cream instead of the cream of coconut and let me know how it turns out. To make this drink, we are going to start out with our orange juice. We're going to put in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And we're going to put that in our shaker. 2 1/3 ounces of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. 2 1/3 ounces is 70 milliliters. 1 ounce of your cream of coconut, and in this case I am using my own coconut syrup recipe. The recipe for this is on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And yes, there's a label on here. That's because I'm working on bottling and selling them. Work in progress. If I die later because of this drink, you'll know it was the cream of coconut or the coconut syrup. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally your rum. 1 1/3 ounces of your O.F.T.D rum. 1 1/3 ounces is 40 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. Official glass for this drink is a Collins, and they do say to fine strain into that glass, so that's what I'm going to do. And to me, this doesn't fill up the glass very well, does it? The recipe does not call for an ice-filled glass, but honestly, I'm going to get some ice and put it in here because I think it'll look better, and it'll help keep it colder longer. Now that I have some ice, I'm going to put a couple cubes into the glass, and yes, I'm using my fingers. Either I'll drink it or my wife will drink it. We'll see what happens. Add a straw. Okay, that looks better. And the garnish. The garnish calls for a slice of pineapple. How big is round is a pineapple? I don't know that that would fit in the glass. Their picture on their website does show a wedge of pineapple. I don't have a wedge, so I'm going to use a couple of pineapple chunks. And there you have it, the O.F.T.D painkiller from Planteray Rum. Drink with good spirits. See, that's not too sweet. Question of the day. The painkiller is a trademarked cocktail. How many trademark cocktails do you know of? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.